Hi everyone, welcome to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to search or view Pinterest history. Now to do that, open the Pinterest application first. You need to get logged in into your account at first. Now once you do that, you need to tap on the search icon on the bottom. Tap that. Once you're at the search icon piece, you need to tap on the search bar on the very top. Tap that, and right after you tap that, you will find all the searches or the views that you have made on your Pinterest. Just below, you will find all the searches that you have made on the Pinterest previously. You can see the previous search history over there. So this is how you can search, view Pinterest history. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.